In a world of uncertainty, are you truly prepared? Out here in the wild, I've learned that readiness isn't paranoia, it's peace of mind. It's about taking control, no matter what life throws at you. Prepping isn't just for survivalists off the grid, it's about resilience, wherever you live. These 10 categories will help you stay ready for anything, from power outages to natural disasters. We're not building bunkers, just taking practical steps anyone can follow, tailored to your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's talk about water, the most vital element for survival, the true elixir of life. Every living thing on Earth depends on water, and for us humans it's absolutely essential. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and every cell, tissue, and organ relies on it to function properly. Without water, life as we know it simply can't exist. Whether you're out in the wild on an adventure, or facing an emergency at home, water is always your top priority. In any crisis, securing a safe and reliable water supply should be the very first thing on your checklist. You can go without food for weeks, but just a few days without water can be life-threatening. Dehydration sets in quickly, affecting your energy, focus, and even your ability to think clearly. That's why water is non-negotiable. Start with storage. Use clean, sealable containers. Anything from repurposed bottles to dedicated water storage units. Make sure every container you use is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before filling it with water. Even a small amount of contamination can make your water unsafe to drink. If you can, invest in a quality container like an aquatainer for long-term storage. These are designed to keep water fresh and safe for months, and they're built to withstand rough handling or changes in temperature. But storing water isn't enough. You need to make sure it's safe to drink. Always check your water for clarity, odor, and taste before using it. If anything seems off, don't take chances. Purify it first. Basic water filters are a must. They remove sediment, bacteria, and other harmful particles. Portable filters are great for both home and outdoor use, and they're easy to pack in an emergency kit. For extra peace of mind, consider advanced purification systems using UV light or chemical purification tablets. These methods can neutralize viruses and other microorganisms that basic filters might miss, making your water even safer. When things get tough, you'll be glad for that extra layer of protection. Clean, safe water can mean the difference between staying healthy and getting seriously ill. Store enough water for at least 3 days per person, more if you can. The general rule is 1 gallon per person per day, but it's wise to have extra for cooking, cleaning, and unexpected needs. And don't forget your pets. They need water too. Make sure you have enough stored for every member of your household, furry friends included. Water safety is essential for everyone. Keep your storage area cool and out of direct sunlight. Heat and light can degrade plastic containers and encourage the growth of algae or bacteria, so choose a dark, cool spot for your water supply. Rotate your water supply regularly to keep it fresh. Mark the date on each container and use the oldest water first, refilling as you go. This simple habit ensures your water is always ready when you need it. In a pinch, know how to find and purify water from natural sources. Learn to identify safe water sources and always have a backup purification method on hand. Stay hydrated, stay safe, and remember, water truly is the elixir of life. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of being prepared: food. When the unexpected happens, having enough to eat can make all the difference, not just for your health, but for your peace of mind too. In a crisis, you need calories and nutrition, not gourmet meals. The goal is to keep your body fueled and your energy up so you can handle whatever comes your way. Stock up on basics: rice, pasta, beans, and canned goods. These staples are affordable, last a long time, and are filling enough to keep you going. They're also easy to prepare, even with limited resources. Don't forget to add energy-dense snacks like peanut butter, nuts, and dried fruit. These foods pack a lot of nutrition into a small space and they don't require any cooking. If you can, grab some freeze-dried meals or ready-to-eat options. They're lightweight, easy to store, and can really boost morale when you need a quick hot meal with minimal effort. Cooking matters too. A simple camping stove or portable burner can be a lifesaver when the power's out. Make sure you have enough fuel and know how to use your equipment safely indoors or outside. Learn alternative cooking methods like building a campfire or using a grill. Practice these skills before you need them so you're not caught off guard. Remember, food is fuel. Keep your meals simple, nutritious, and accessible. Focus on foods that are easy to prepare and provide balanced nutrition, even if fresh ingredients are limited. Rotate your supplies regularly so nothing goes to waste. Check expiration dates, use older items first, and restock as needed to keep your pantry ready for anything. Don't forget a manual can opener. It's a small tool, but absolutely essential if the power goes out and you need to open canned food. Plan for special dietary needs in your household. Whether it's allergies, medical conditions, or preferences, make sure everyone has safe options to eat. In the end, you might have to rely on your own supplies for days or even weeks. Preparing now means you and your loved ones can stay ready, stay healthy, and stay fed, no matter what comes your way. Electricity powers our homes, keeps our food fresh, and connects us to the world. But, when the grid fails, whether from storms, accidents, or rolling blackouts, suddenly, we're reminded just how much we depend on it. In those moments, having reliable backup lighting and power sources isn't just convenient, it's essential for safety and comfort. Hand crank lights are a simple, ingenious solution. Powered by your own effort, they don't need batteries or electricity, just a few turns and you have light, no matter what's happening outside. They're perfect for emergencies, camping, or even just peace of mind. It's smart to keep a hand crank flashlight in your emergency kit, your car's glove box, and right by your bed. That way you're always prepared whether you're at home or on the road. Solar generators are becoming more affordable and efficient every year. They can power lights, charge phones, and even run small appliances. With just a bit of sunlight, you can keep your essentials running during extended outages, no fuel required. Stock up on batteries for your flashlights and radios, and consider investing in rechargeable ones. Pair them with a solar charger and you'll have a sustainable way to keep your devices powered up, even if the outage lasts for days. If power outages are frequent where you live, a backup generator can be a real lifesaver. It can keep your refrigerator running, power medical devices, and provide light throughout your home. Just remember to always use generators outdoors and follow safety guidelines to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Motion sensor lights are another great tool. They automatically turn on when movement is detected, helping you safely navigate dark spaces and discouraging unwanted visitors around your home. Don't forget to have a few reliable flashlights and headlamps on hand. Headlamps are especially useful for hands-free tasks, whether you're fixing a fuse or reading during a blackout. Preparation is key. Test your emergency lights and batteries regularly, and make sure everyone in your household knows where to find them. Being ready means you'll never be caught off guard when the lights go out. With a little planning and the right gear, you can keep your home safe, comfortable, and well lit, no matter what comes your way. Injuries happen, and medical care might be limited in an emergency. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential. Think beyond Band-Aids to include gauze, antiseptic, pain relievers, antihistamines, and personal medications. Mental health matters too. Pack a few comfort items, maybe a book or journal. Learn basic first aid and CPR. You never know when you'll need it. Look for local courses or online resources. Keep your kit updated and tailored to your family's needs. Include a thermometer and tweezers for minor issues. Store medical info for each family member. Your health is your most valuable asset. Preparation can make all the difference. Stay healthy, stay ready. Sanitation is easy to overlook until systems fail. Good hygiene prevents disease, not just discomfort. Stock up on soap, hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, and biodegradable soap. For toilets, a simple bucket lined with a trash bag and some sawdust or cat litter works in a pinch. Keep heavy-duty trash bags for waste and a shovel for outdoor disposal if needed. Pack extra underwear, socks, and toiletries for morale and health. Don't forget feminine hygiene products and baby supplies if needed. Rotate supplies to keep them fresh. Sanitation is about staying healthy. Take precautions to minimize illness. Cleanliness is survival. Stay clean, stay safe. In a crisis, communication keeps you informed and connected. When phones and internet fail, have a backup. Satellite phones work when cell towers don't. Pricey but invaluable in a true emergency. A hand-crank weather radio keeps you updated on alerts and broadcasts. Two-way radios help you coordinate with family or neighbors. Learn how to use your equipment. Practice and program essential frequencies. Keep spare batteries or a solar charger handy. Communication is your lifeline. Stay connected, stay informed, don't let chaos cut you off. Awareness is key. Assess your surroundings and potential threats. You don't need a fortress, but simple steps deter crime. Reinforce doors and windows, add locks or security bars if needed. Motion sensor lights make your home less appealing to intruders. Take a self-defense class for confidence and skills. Keep flashlights handy for power outages. Security is about preparation, not paranoia. Create a safer environment with basic precautions. Stay alert, stay safe. Resourcefulness is crucial when things break. A well-stocked toolkit is a must. Think hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, wrench, utility knife, and tape measure. Add a multi-tool, saw, and level for more complex repairs. Duct tape and superglue can fix almost anything temporarily. Know how to use your tools. Practice basic repairs. Keep your kit organized and accessible. In an emergency, fixing things yourself is a game changer. Be ready to improvise. Knowledge is as vital as gear. Build a small survival library, first aid manuals, survival guides, and edible plant books. Keep printed manuals for your essential equipment. Paper maps are invaluable if GPS fails. Update your library as your needs change. Information empowers you to handle challenges. Don't rely solely on digital resources. Arm yourself with knowledge. Sometimes the safest move is to evacuate. Have a bug-out bag ready, enough for 72 hours away from home. Pack food, water, clothing, first aid, and a flashlight. Sturdy boots, a waterproof jacket, and warm accessories are essential. Bring a compass, map, and whistle for navigation and signaling. Plan for pets and special needs. Practice your evacuation plan. Being ready to leave isn't panic, it's smart. Evacuate safely and efficiently. That's it. 10 essential categories to jumpstart your prepping journey. It's not about paranoia, but about being ready for life's challenges. Review and adapt your essentials regularly. Your mindset is your best tool. Stay calm, resourceful, and never give up. Stay prepared, stay safe.